19. The average age of 6 students is 15 years. When a teacher joins the group, the average becomes 18 years. How old is the teacher? Sa 6 pa sila, 15 daw. So, ganun pa rin ang gagawin natin. 6 sila para makuha natin yung sum. I-multiply natin yan. So, therefore, that's 15 times 6, and this is 19. Yan yung sum nila dito sa 6 na estudyante na ang average ay 15. When a teacher joins the group, ang average daw ay naging 18. So, ilan na sila? 7 na kayo. Mayroon mang teacher, isa lang man siya. When a teacher. So, naging 7 na sila. Yung average ay 18. O, kunin natin yung sum. 18 times 7, and this is 126. Kunin lang natin yung difference dyan kasi nadagdag man si teacher. So, makikita natin yung difference. Ang difference dito ay 36. Si 36 na difference, ito, how old is the teacher? Ito na yung edad ni teacher. Letter D.